Come on, let's go. Scentabration. We've got a brand new box. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita, the home of Rate That Box. Yes, we do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings. We do hauls, product reviews, that kind of thing right here at Saving Mamasita. So if you like what you see, hit that like and that subscribe button, you guys, for more videos from me, Saving Mamasita. Today is a box that smells extra good. In fact, it came like this, super cute, kind of heavy actually. So I'm really super excited to open this up, and I'm going to be very careful because it could be breakable. So I'm not gonna shake it up. I'm not gonna do the little dancey dance with the box. You guys, this box is called Scentabration. Scentabration. Okay, I never claimed to be a good singer, you guys, ever. Box is called Scentabration. It is from the company called Wix Wax Candle Company. If you go to their website at wixwaxcandle.com, you'll be able to check out all of their scents, all of their candles. You can do a custom order. You can do a monthly subscription box like this one right here. And let's just talk a little bit about this subscription box, okay? The normal price is $49.99 with free shipping. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. Right now, you can lock in a price of $34.97. That's right. So you'd be locked into that forever. 30% off the regular price. You get free shipping, 2 16-ounce candles, 1 box of wax bark, and a free gift. It says, light your Wix Wax candle and sit back with your friends and family and make those memories. Rest assured that your house smells amazing. And they do have a scent list, and they can do special blends to fit your special needs. All you gotta do is hit them up and they will create something special for you. Ooh, I'm looking here and there are some really freaking interesting scents, like alien. Excuse me, what would an alien scent smell like? Well, classic florals, sparkling citrus, heady scent of woods and amber. It's packed with shimmering galaxies of fragrance. In my house, I have wax warmers. I also have candles. You guys know I am a candle fanatic. It is a black box with a white top with their Scentabration logo on top. Got Prince here too. He's curious as always. It is sealed up very good. Ooh. Here's what it looks like inside. Scentabration! Hooray, your box is here. The theme of this month's box is, are you ready for it? Visit to Grandma's house. Ooh, a visit to Grandma's house. So this box starts when you jump out of the car, run up to Grandma, and she gives you one of those hugs only Grandma can give, where she smells of baby powder and love, and you know that at least for the weekend, everything is going to be perfect. You guys start right out making chocolate chip cookies. I bet she even lets you lick the spoon. And the bowl too. You play outside all day in the fresh outdoors and stay up late into the night sharing a big bowl of Grandma's famous buttery popcorn. You wake up to an amazing breakfast of maple pecan waffles with warm buttery syrup and just the right amount of love because Grandma made them for her favorite person in the world, you. I hope this box brings back fond memories of when you used to visit Grandma's house as a kid. Your friend, Amy. Looking inside the box, Prince is curious too. It's wrapped in like a maroon tissue paper and it says thank you on the sticker. So opening it up. Ooh, look at that. I love that. She's got her own labels on there. We've got 1, 2 bark waxes and a couple candles and a little gift. So let's take a look. Oh, okay. Maple pecan waffles, just like Grandma makes. All right, let's take a little smell here. It just comes in a standard jar, hand poured in Michigan. It's a very large candle, actually. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. So sweet. I could eat it. On the bottom, it says the scent as well as the warnings. Do not burn the candle more than 4 hours at a time. Keep away from children and pets. Look at that. Very simple jar, but inside, this one is, oh, same type of jar, but a different scent. This is called chocolate chip cookies. I bet this is gonna be amazing. Oh, that is so good. You guys know me. I love the sweet scents. I love the sweet scents, the florally sweet scents. This is sweet. Chocolate chip cookies and maple pecan waffles. Excuse me. Yes and yes. And then we've got a couple of the wax ones here. So it comes in this little black sleeve. This one is called buttered popcorn. Just pop a chunk into your wax warmer. So buttered popcorn. Popcorn is my favorite snack. So of course, yes, I do love the smell of popcorn. It's broken up already inside. You can see that. That is good. Definitely smells like popcorn. I like that. That is so good. And then finally, we've got the other wax bark. This is the buttered, just buttered, it says. So here's what it looks like inside. It smells very similar to the other one, but I feel like this has more of a buttery scent than a sweeter scent. But yeah, that's really good too. So the 2 candles, the 2 wax barks, and then we got a free gift. This is Wix Wax Candles Baby Powder. You got me curious now. Baby powder scent. These are cute. Look at these. Or what is that? I don't know. It's cute though. And yes, it smells like baby powder for sure. Very fresh, very clean. So fresh and so clean. So that concludes our very first unboxing of Wix Wax Candle Company's Scentabration box. What'd you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section down below, what is your favorite scent? And of all of these scents, which one is one that you would think you would enjoy? Let me know. For now, we're gonna do a quick review, you guys, and then we're gonna give Wix Wax Candle Company their very first rating. Are you guys ready? In the box, we've got the 2 candles. We've got the maple pecan waffle and the chocolate chip cookies, 2 wax barks, quite a few pieces in each one actually, buttered popcorn and just buttered. We have a free gift of the baby powder packet of different wax melts in there as well. All of those items for $34.97, free shipping. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rate this box. Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. All right, you guys know how we do. For those of you who don't know how we do, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, stay far away from that box, or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. We rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, which includes a description of each item inside the box, and preferably a price listing, retail value, so we can kind of see how much we are paying versus the value, all of that good stuff. We also like the variety of the items in the box, and we like good quality of the items in the box. So let's go ahead, put our thinking hats on, and rate this box. We need to hit that drum roll, please. Scentabration, you are gonna get your first rating of a 9.5. 9.5. Celebrate good times. Come on. Congratulations, Wix Wax Candle Company. You got your very first rating of a 9.5. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed unboxing it. If you like this video, please hit that like, the subscribe button, notification